What's going on, guys? So as you can see here, we got a little bit of a problem. It's really mucky, lots of water. This is the gate where all their trucks go in to go dump at our concrete pile down there, and this is just getting way too out of hand. Like that's like almost like a foot deep. Like it's bad. So today I'm just gonna get the excavator, clean this up a little bit, dig it out, and then after I'm gonna grab the loader, and we got some like old asphalt millings. I'm gonna put that down. It'll probably be a little bit more stronger. Gotta find a way to kind of like slope this water out to drain somewhere too after. So let's get to her. So what I'm gonna do is start from here, and I'm just gonna keep on dragging everything back all the way back until there, until I get past that big pond. So let's get to her. Okay, so far I got up until past the gates here. I think it's looking pretty good so far, but I'm gonna need to use a lot of that recycled asphalt to throw in here. And that big loader we got over there, the tire's low, so I can't really use that. Well, I can, I'm just too lazy to fill up the tire. So I might even just get one of the other loaders, the smaller loaders, one of the 930s, and fill up a rock truck with it and dump one load. I think one load would be good. All right, let's keep on going. Okay, so I got this all cleaned up here. I dug it all out. I grabbed the loader. I smoothed some of this out back here. Now I think I'm just gonna grab a couple loads to fill. There's a big dip right here that I dug out. So I'm gonna grab a couple loads of that reclaimed asphalt there, and clean her up, and let's call her a day. Alright, so GoPro ended up dying on me. So I have to use my phone here. Doesn't look too bad. But anyways, I finished up doing what I had to do. It's a lot better. I could actually walk and unlock these gates without stepping in a pond. But it's only a temporary fix, like it's not perfect. Once spring comes around, it's nice and dry, then I'll fix it up real nice. Because there's really no point in doing it in the winter. Everything's just gonna keep on freezing and thawing, freezing and thawing. And it's gonna get muddy all over again. So just a quick temporary fix. I'm sure the drivers that go through here are gonna like it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Peace out.